Yeah.
Okay. So if you haven't figured it out yet, my name is Philip Campos, and before I begin, I would just like to briefly recap on my opponent's three main claims. And those claims are that one, the current progressive tax system is unfair to people who pay higher tax rates at higher income levels. Two, the progressive tax system is too complex. And three, the progressive tax system has too many loopholes, exemptions, and credits. In response to the first claim that the current progressive tax system is unfair to people who pay higher tax rates at higher income levels, I would like to begin by showing that the higher tax rates are imposed progressively, hence the name of the progressive tax system. This simply means that the tax rate increases as your level of income increases. According to the most recent federal tax data sheet from the National Tax Advisory, the highest tax rate of 39.6% is not applied until taxable income exceeds $400,000. Again, taxable income is after taking advantage of all the deductions, credits, and other loopholes available under the current system, which would be eliminated if the flat tax was proposed. Somebody at this income level, I imagine, would have the means to consult, plan, and strategize with an accountant to avoid or even minimize these high tax rates. Second, I would like to point out that higher earning individuals are more able to sacrifice the extra money in a greater tax rates than somebody earning less. The reason our current system taxes these higher earning individuals so heavily is that they will still have plenty of money after paying all their taxes needed to support themselves. For example, Kelly Phillips Erb, founding shareholder of the Erb Law Firm, who focuses on tax law for businesses and family, points out that 20% of income at the bottom isn't equal to 20% of income at the top. The cost of most goods is fixed, meaning that you don't pay proportionally less for gas or milk if you make less money. Imagine if a low-earning citizen was expected to pay the same tax rate as a wealthy individual. While the well-to-do person would still be able to provide for himself after paying all the owed taxes, the low-income person might still be able to use that tax money to support his or her family. Under our current system, the lower-earning individuals are ensured that they will still be able to provide for themselves after paying all their owed taxes. The affirmative also claims that the progressive tax system is too complicated, but in reality, filing taxes is only as complex as it. For example, families who don't itemize or claim credits for buying new houses or making their existing homes more energy efficient can file quickly and easily. According to Holly Philbridge, senior scholar at the Strom Thurmond Institute of Government and Public Affairs at Clemson University. In other words, the tax system only becomes complex when you start taking advantage of all the loopholes and exemptions available under the current system. And even so, the process can still be simplified with tables listing the multiple tax rates, tax software, special forms, and even paid tax preparers. In fact, I think here at Cal Poly, the accounting students were offering free tax advice and filings and seminars. So as you can see, there are many ways to go about simplifying the process. Furthermore, Lawrence Steffi of the Houston Chronicle points out that while our tax code is complex, it is also very flexible. The same flexibility that leads to all the deductions, credits, and loopholes also gives it the ability to adapt to changing economic issues. This leads me to the last issue I'm going to address, that the progressive tax system has too many loopholes, exemptions, and credits. I think this contradicts the first claim that the progressive tax system is unfair to higher earning individuals who pay the higher tax rates. The reasoning being, as Holly Philbridge argues, that these loopholes and exemptions were made to make it more fair to the people paying the higher tax rates, while at the same time encouraging good behaviors such as saving for retirement, reducing our carbon footprint, investing in our homes, and contributing to charity, etc. These loopholes give the people with the heavy tax burden the chance to reduce the amount they owe to a more reasonable tax rate. Along with helping individuals minimize their tax, they also help Americans keep more in their pockets so that they will spend and invest more in our economy and help keep the people employed. So in conclusion, I hope that I've inspired you to reconsider what we sacrifice in exchange for a flat tax. Thank you.